In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to cancel your Hostinger plan easily and confidently. Whether you're switching providers, reducing costs, or simply reorganizing your online projects, knowing how to cancel your plan properly helps you stay in full control. The process is quick once you know where everything is, so let's walk through it step by step. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Once you reach the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the login button. Enter your Hostinger email and password to sign in. Logging in ensures you're accessing the correct account before making any changes. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard known as the H panel. This dashboard is the central place where you manage your hosting services, domain settings, emails, and more. From here, we need to navigate to the billing section, look along the left side menu or near your profile icon, and select billing. This area contains your invoices, payment history, and all active Hostinger services. Inside the billing section, click on the subscriptions tab. This will display a complete list of your current plans. Take a moment to find the specific hosting plan you want to cancel. Each plan will show its renewal details, next billing date, and management options. Once you locate the correct plan, look for the option to cancel. Click the cancel button to begin the process. When you start the cancellation, Hostinger may show a few additional prompts or reminders. These messages help ensure that you are making a deliberate choice and understand any possible effects, such as losing website files, email accounts, or other connected services. If you are sure you want to continue, confirm the cancellation when prompted. Follow each step carefully so the request is processed without issue. After completing the steps, your plan will be scheduled for cancellation and you will no longer be charged for future renewals. It's a good idea to check your email afterward for a cancellation confirmation from Hostinger. Save this message for your records in case you ever need to reference it or confirm the cancellation later. And that's all it takes. You've successfully canceled your Hostinger hosting plan with just a few simple steps. If you ever need help managing your services or exploring alternative options, feel free to watch more of our tutorials, and if you run into any issues, Hostinger support team is always available to assist you. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.